We'll guide you through how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Chrome Remote Desktop is a powerful tool that allows you to access and control your computer remotely from another device, such as your phone or another laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and in the search bar, just search for Chrome Remote Desktop. And just open the first link. And once you are on the site, make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account in the top right corner. This is important because the same account will be used to access your device remotely. Now, under Setup Remote Access, you will see a small download button. Click on the download button. This will open Chrome Web Store. And from here, just click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. And as you can see, the extension has been successfully added. You will now see a security prompt. Simply click on Accept and Install. And just run the installer that we downloaded earlier. And enter the name for your computer. In my case, I'm just gonna name it tutorial. And click on Next. You can now choose a pin and make sure it is at least 6 numbers. And after choosing your security pin, just click on Start. Sometimes your device may show as offline. Simply refresh the page and it will be showing as online. Now that your computer is set up, let's connect it to another device. On the second device, just go to Play Store and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Just install Chrome Remote Desktop and open it. And make sure you are signed in with the same Google account on both devices. This is important for connection to work properly. You will now see a list of available devices, including the name of your main laptop that you just set up. Click on your main laptop's name. Wait for it to load. And enter the pin that we created earlier. And just click on the next arrow. Just click on Allow. And after a few seconds, the connection will be established. You can control your main laptop from the second device, and you can move the mouse, and you can even set it to full screen mode, and you can rotate your device for easier controls also. And as you can see, I am controlling the device from my phone. You can even zoom in or out, and you can even open new tabs in Chrome from here like so, and just type anything by clicking on the keyboard on the bottom left. If you want to end the session, just click on the three dot on your top right and click on Disconnect. Now let's go quickly over a few things. Make sure both devices are connected to a stable internet connection for smooth performance. Also, keep your PIN private and never share it to anyone you don't trust, as it gives full access to your device. If you plan to use this frequently, you can keep remote access enabled, otherwise, you can turn it off anytime from remote access settings. And that's it. We have successfully connected one laptop to another device using Chrome Remote Desktop. In this video, we showed you how to set up remote access, connect using your Google account, and control another device securely and easily.